Hello guys, today what I got for you today is a carrier. I don't know what model name it is, just a carrier, it's something else. Here, let's take a look. Here we got carrier, and it's moving. Side, you get nothing, just to smooth again. In the back, you get a person, let me bit in the back, but I have to be careful. Person right there. The company of carrier, really. We'll turn it on in a little later after we're kind of done looking at. Here's some screws. Here's carrier, but it kind of got washed away by the rain. Here you get a UL. I'm not sure. Also, here's the inside. I don't know when the last time the man came to clean it. It was some other time, maybe. My uncle's here to watch me. Now, this plant. So sharp in here. Can't show you. Maybe if I move this, there's the thing is like you have to say warning. These are like things that can catch on fire. Really, it can. Of course, it can, right? This is also a very big one. May needs cleaning, right? Or probably the man came to fix it. Well, I mean to clean it. Sorry. Well. Also, what was the last air conditioning you had? The older carrier replaced it to the new carrier. That replaced the old carrier to the new carrier. And it's already fall, but it's still very warm. The air conditionings are still running here, but I think you need to clean it or something, or maybe the man already came to fix it. The man. Okay, guys, we'll turn it on at the moment. We'll turn it on for you guys. I'll show you the thing. But hold on. I think I forgot something. I'll show you. See the person again? Let me show you again, like the earth. See the person there? Ew. Ew. Diver teach tech. Also kind of metal problem. Maybe it's metal. He says I'm correct, but I'm not too sure if he's just lying. If he lies, I'm afraid. There's someone playing over there. But let's take a look at this. This is a 3-bladed air conditioning. Now I'll meet you in the house, okay, YouTubers? Okay, YouTubers, welcome back. I'm going to show you now the thermostat, or whatever. This is a carrier. What you can do is you can put this on the heat, but it's too hot, right? Also, you can see these. Can I clean that? Like this. 75. Then 74. There. See 74, YouTubers? And this is the heat button, but I wouldn't press it. And now I'll show you how to turn it on. Now I'll show you how to turn it on. Show you how to turn it on. Here's how you turn it on. How you turn it on?
It should be on now.
Probably, but I thought you turned it off.
No. 74 is enough to turn it on now.
Yeah, it's 154 carrier. But now, maybe they fixed it. Well, there was another carrier I had, but now it's just gone. I don't know if it catch on fire. I don't know how the fire started, YouTubers. There was a fire in this house. There was a fire at this house, YouTubers. There was a fire at this house, wasn't there?
Sure was.
Did it look like this, or the rugs were right? Is the grandfather clock still there or no?
That's a good question, honestly.
But I'm not sure if did the grandfather clock survive fire?
I don't know.
I'm not sure, YouTubers. But we have it. Let me on. I'm not sure, YouTuber. Oh. Sorry, YouTubers. I flipped it out. Okay. Probably. No, it's not on yet. You see, it might turn on. Have to wait for a little bit. You also hear it might sound very nice. Also, you see? Well, it's not gonna turn on though. It's never gonna turn on. Maybe I need to cool it down. Oh,
I can actually.
it's gonna turn on. It's gonna.
74, right?
Yeah. No, it's gonna take a few minutes. The house is probably cool enough now, so it doesn't need the air can to make it cooler. Well, it's not as loud though.
Where's that sound?
Probably another air conditioning.
You think so?
It's probably coming from another house. And now you'll hear the sound. I'm not sure if the man came to clean it. Well, I'm not sure. Also very bumpy. Compared to my air conditioning, this is in my uncle's house. You also hear a very nice sound on it. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I have to lower it down. We'll have to lower it down or something. Maybe it's going to turn on. There. Listen to that noise, the piping. That is it made a very nice sound. It made a sound. See it, guys? See? Not sure if it got a service cleaned by the man. Got cleaned by the man, right?
Oh, the service guy, yeah.
Yeah, it did. Recently, this year?
Yes.
Or that was last year?
This year. Hello was asking if you want to record it.
I wanted to do film, but next time
But I forgot what happened. We'll ask Lolo what happened.
I'll show you the sound. I'll show you it from back here. See the Param sign? Kind of smooth. Not as noisy. But not even rusty at all. This probably got cleaned recently in June. Sounds very nice too. Also, there it is, everybody.